Hey guys, Ashley here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you in advance for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. So I wanted to share that my third annual Jamaican Citizenship by Descent grant giveaway is now live. I know it's a bit of a long title, but it's an amazing opportunity for someone who's eligible and interested. So over half a decade ago, I applied for a lot of my Jamaican-based documents in Jamaica, namely like the TRN, Citizenship by Descent, and the passport. And over the years, acquaintances and relatives would ask me about my process. And then so I figured I collate all of my experience together into a mini, what I dub a mini online web series. It's all but like 4 videos, but impactful nonetheless. And I ended up creating those videos, which I'll link them down below. Very useful. And then I figured, how cool would it be to not only just knowledge share and have that content, but to do a deeper tie-in. And so that's how this thing came about, to pay for the application fee for someone like myself, foreign born but of Jamaican descent. So the eligibility is you have to be between 18 and 40. You must be of Jamaican descent, meaning you have at least one parent or grandparent that is Jamaican, and of course can prove it. And then you must live in the United States. Sorry, folks in Canada and the UK and wherever else in the world that you might be, this is only for American-based people. And of course, have a valid PayPal account. That's it for the eligibility. There's no follow me, like the post, tag 3 friends, submit an essay. There's none of those things. But listen, I'm not gonna stop you do it. If you want to do that, I'd actually encourage you to share and engage with it online and share with your friends or your network or your relatives. But that's it for the eligibility. Now, what the prize actually is. So when you apply for Jamaican citizenship by descent here in the United States through your local consulate or embassy, the initial application fee is $100 US. This does not cover the consulate processing fees, because usually consulates do charge a separate fee outside of the application. So this is just for the application fee. And for this year, starting this year, because I actually have a product, bonus offer is that compliant applicants will automatically be entered to win an AshFiMon's exclusive diaspora t-shirt. So this lovely shirt that I have on, daughter of the diaspora, that is what the shirt looks like. And of course, gentlemen, I have not forgotten about you. I have the male version, son of the diaspora. So that is the bonus offer. So think about it this way. If you're eligible and interested, think about it like you're kind of doubling your chances to possibly win something, either the application fee or the diaspora shirt. So now that we got the prizes out the way, this is how you can apply. It's all going to eventually lead you to my website, but you can either click the link in the description box and it'll take you directly to the link you need to be at on my website, or you can scan this QR code on the screen, or you can just go to AshFiMon's.com and type in the search bar grant giveaway. Or if you type in this link on the screen, do note that it is case sensitive. So anywhere there is a capital or lowercase, you have to put that in. It eventually is all going to lead you directly back to my website, where that way you can go ahead and see the full terms and conditions, which you need to read and adhere to, and get all more information and to actually apply. If you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my notes. So if all this sounds good, I want you to click the link down below and apply. There are 3 important dates to take note of. Applications initially opened on Sunday, September 17th. So you're probably seeing this way after the fact. But the deadline to apply for this is Sunday, October 1st. Yes, Sunday, October 1st. And the application deadline is at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So think about it like in college when you're submitting online classwork. You have to submit the application before midnight on Sunday, October 1st. That is the deadline. And then one winner will be chosen at random for each prize on Monday, October 2nd, and they'll be notified by email and social tag. So it's one winner for the application fee, another winner for the diaspora shirt, and ultimately will be 2 winners. They'll be chosen at random and they'll be notified by email and social tag. It's great that you engage with the post if you are the winner, but we also need you to respond to the email within 24 hours of receiving it. If you don't, you forfeit your prize and another winner will be drawn. Just because there are other people who are interested in opportunity, and though life is gonna life and things come up, it's not fair that we're sitting down on deadlines And that way somebody else can get the opportunity to win something as well. So hopefully this all sounds amazing and good. And if it does, and it is not yet the deadline, and you are eligible and interested, definitely click the link in the description, or any one of the previous ways I mentioned is all going to lead you back to my website where you can go ahead and apply. Very clear disclaimer though. By signing up, you adhere and agree to all of the grant giveaway rules, terms, and conditions, and of course, receive periodic communication from myself, basically to be added to my email list. And this grant giveaway and this opportunity is not in conjunction or sponsored by the government of Jamaica, PICA, any U.S. consulates or embassies, or any social media site. It's a solely AshFiMon's Presents situation. Now, if you're seeing this after the fact and you still want to kind of keep abreast of what's happening, definitely in the link in the description, there's a link that says email link up, and you could just sign up there just to be added to the email list. But if you actually do apply, you don't need to sign up for the email link up, because you're automatically going to be in the loop with that. So last 2 years, we had 2 winners that won, 2 young ladies who were actually based in the Northeast that won. So shout out to Simone and Zoanne. So we'll see who that lucky winner will be for this year. And guess what? It might be you. You just never know. But don't sit on it. It's super easy and fast to apply. Definitely apply if you are eligible and interested. And definitely share it with somebody else, right? We share all kinds of things on our timeline. Why not share something that might be beneficial or useful to someone else that you may know of, a friend, a relative, etc. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. And as always, thank you for tuning in. And you can link up with me online everywhere at AshFiMon's. And until next time, have an amazing day.